Hey guys, check it out. 100 spins on the Lightning Link high stakes game right here, right now, starts immediately. The major is $5,579.59. All right, come on. Let's do it. Need a $5,000 jackpot, and then we know we're in good shape. There we go, a little something. $70. One more. There you go. Oh my God. Didn't have that volume maxed down.
What a waste of 14 cents.
One more, come on. Oh. And briefcase. Where are all those Vegas signs? Alright, big chips, right here.
Right. Spin 25 right now.
Wow. We're not got anything good here. Briefcase. Oh. Anything? Briefcases? Come on. Wow. Who makes this machine?
I'm ashamed to say.
Usually I have good luck on the Vegas one. I like this one. Group pull number 1 of 2.
That's gonna be a piano.
Briefcase. Oh my. I mean, it's like nothing. Not even like a little playback.
42 spins or nothing.
2 more. Oh, minor there. That would have.
That would have been a guaranteed one.
Yeah, there we go. Finally. 5 of a kind. 200. Best set yet. 210. You do that. Look, best set. Come on. Yeah, 100 spins. You should get lots of bonuses. Whew.
That's spin 50 right here.
Wow, horrible. $500 so far. That's 50 spins back. Briefcase. Oh my gosh. Come on, something here.
Okay.
Holy smokes. What's wrong with this thing? Well, it ain't like a playback or anything. Finally, $8.
All right, we got 30 spins left now.
Jeez. I get something out of this. One more. Oh, that would be nice.
We need it.
Wow. Cannot believe this. Briefcase, come on. Oh my gosh. I know. Oh. Look at this. Yes, finally. All right. 83. Gosh. Still, these aren't a big number. We need something bigger than this. Like, we need more than $900 here. Come on, big number. Minor.
Big number. Any number.
Alright, woo.
Stay alive.
There we are. Alright. 1,050. Come on.
Come on, get one.
Yes. Alright, 1,100 bucks. There we go. 13. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Guess I got bigger there. Please give us a mini or something. Alright. Alright, 1,300. We'll take it. Yeah. God, it was brutal. It was ugly. 88 spins of nothing to get one. 1,400. There we go. All right.
Highly needed.
That was very stressful. Oh.
Very stressful.
1,400. All right. Yes, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, little something. 280. Take it. There we go, a little something. It's at 30. All right, come on. One good one here.
This is spin number 90 coming up.
Yes, there we go. All right. All right, take that one. $570. All right. All right, come on. We pull out one more here. There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Well, we didn't get 5 of a kind on anything. Still good something. 440. All right. What a comeback here. Need one more good one here for 1,000. Come on.
97. 98. 9.
Oh, I saw it too. All right, so $3,638. So we lost $1,362. All right, it goes back. I think $1,362. But we'll have a total at the end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Get myself on
All
that.
right. Huh?
My high roll is here.
Oh. You want to say hi to everybody watching? You want to meet everyone?
Hi.
Hold on, I'll show you. Guys, this is our host here at the Z Casinos.
Come see us every Wednesday.
Ask for Elena.
Leanna.
Leanna.
You got it.
Leanna. I was there wrong. As for Leanna, this could be your host at Grand Z, Johnny Z,
That's right.
any of the Z's.
Anything.
Any Z, Grand Z, Johnny Z, and Z Casino. All right. Two more. Michigan Scratcher, $5 super chat. Damn, get me her number, Raja. Well, if you come and play here and she's your host, you're going to have her number. What you do with it is up to you. Really good host, actually. Takes great care of us and very on top of it here. Richard, $2 from chat. What's for dinner tonight? Not much. Probably just like a deli or something light. One more. Oh, had a mini there. Come on. $20 was the magic number on Dragon Link. Yeah, the magic number on this. Lana, first time watching, welcome. 2 more. Yes, 2 more symbols. We got it. There we go. All right, there, another 40. Come on. Wow, horrible. Yes, at least we got something. About like getting nothing. Super Grand is $26,472. One more. Oh. Ooh, I just saw the Super Grand go by. Doesn't really matter if you don't. Wait, hey, the door bonus. There we go. Bonuses are popping. It may be time to bet on this thing. This thing's starting to go. Retrigger? Yeah, retrigger. There we go. How many more games does that give? 10? Oh, 5 more. All right. We'll take it. Oh, yeah. Yes, a coin bonus, too. Welcome, Ronnie, our newest YouTube sponsor, has access to those really cool emojis. There we go. Another 20. Come on, minor. How about a Super Grand chance right here? Yeah, all right, still in business. 20 more. 20 more. Ooh, the Major I just saw go by. All right, 20 more. How about Super Grand? Come on. Come on, anything? Ah. All right. Still good. We still got like 12 more games left. Some little baby numbers, but it's okay. We got 12 more games left. Oh, back-to-back coin bonus would be nice. Come on. Drop a Super Grand. Yes, again. 6, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them to start. Nice. It's a $100 one, $80 one. There we go. Come on. I'm telling you, the sweet spot on these games lately is $20 at $20, $30. I have such good luck. Ah, well, that was fast. I guess I gave all 8 at once. Didn't want to tease us with like 2 extra at a time per spinning. It's Rivas, $5 super chat. Good luck, my man. Been sick for 7 days. Getting better. Good luck. Well, man, I'm happy you're getting better. Feel good. Good to have you watching again. All right. Again. Mega Slot Sisters, $2 super chat. Raja, the game you played didn't upload your 480. Sure. Ooh, there we go. A little bird's nest for a little bit. So we got 4 more free games left, unless we can get a retrigger here. Ooh, 400. Oh. Oh, 5 of them. What a tease. All right, not bad. $904 bonus. Take it. Get a little bonus. All right, I'm not going below 1,200 on this. All right, cashing out on this one.